Welcome back to Wonder Sapiens. Today we are at Hameenlinna, the town in Finland where we will be visiting the medieval Hame castle by the shore of Lake Vanajavesi. It is winter and the Lake Vanajavesi is frozen over. We will be walking around the lake following a 6-kilometer walking path which offers magnificent views of the Hame castle. Now we are going in the clockwise direction and have a 2-kilometer walk to the castle. On the way are multiple small parks and a bridge which we can use to cross the lake. The castle can be seen far away as we walk on the slippery path. The Hame castle is the best preserved brick castle in the Nordics and was believed to be built around 13th century. That makes this castle 700 years old. The castle has been under Swedish and Russian rule before Finnish independence and has gone through numerous wars and restorations. The brick architecture and the moat surrounding the castle are unique aspects of the castle. During a period, it was exclusively used as a prison as well. Across the castle is a military museum which displays various artilleries used by the Finnish military. As we continue on the walking path, we realize that approaching the castle from this direction is even more beautiful. On our way, we can see 2 cannons placed specifically to test our photography skills. These boats stay abandoned in winter but have active roles to play during summer days. This lookout is called Maya and offers some spectacular views. But getting up there on slippery steps was indeed an ordeal. Moving on, we will reach a railway bridge named Bontoni Silta, where we will cross the lake once again. The views from atop the bridge are surreal. From the walking path along the rail track, there are steps leading down towards the coastline. From down here we can follow a path with walking planks laid along the side of the lake. The sun is about to set and the colors of the horizon has changed. We need to hurry now to get to the best lookout point directly opposite the castle. Finally, we have made it before the colors disappeared. This place is almost a kilometer or so away from the railway station, but on the counterclockwise direction of the lake path. Time for us to return and catch the train back to Helsinki. Until next time, bye.